Hello students, good morning all of you. I hope you all are fine. I Neeraj Khare as a science teacher of class 7th. So dear student, we start chapter 8, the wind, storm and cyclones. So this is a concept module. The cyclones, situation caused by the cyclones, advantage of advanced technology and recapitulation. So today we start how individuals can protect themselves from cyclone. How individuals can protect themselves from cyclones. So dear students, one should not ignore the warning given by the weather forecasting them. If you can, you must move to safe place and carry all your important belongings with you. Students, one should not ignore the warning given by the weather forecasting them. If you can, you must move to safe place and carry all your important belongings with you. Second one should not drive on the road. One should not drive on road that having the standing water as they might be damaged. That have the standing water as they might be damaged. Third one should keep all the emergency number with themselves so that they can seek help when required. One should keep all the emergency numbers with themselves so that they can seek help when required. So what to do during the cyclones? Get ready, shelter at home, leave home. So monitor all rate and the advice from the emergency service. Shut on the extend doors and window and gather the family and review your evacuation plan and shelter at home. So remaining the inside with your emergency kit and the battery radio and turn off gas and electricity and unping the applications and move pupil and pet to the strongest part of the storing part of the house. Leave home. Follow the evacuations plan and head to nearest emergency shelter. Don't attempt to drive or walk through water. Instead, stay in car with the handbrake on and can't take plate leaves until in the laundry of the bathroom with the food and the water. So, dear student, what to do if you are living in the cyclone hit area? So first one, the water in such the region can be the contaminated. Hence, one should make sure if the water if safe and only them drink it. The water in such the region can be the contaminated. The hence, one should make sure if the water is safe and only them drink it. One should stay away from the power line for the electrical switch of any kind. On should stay away from the power lines for the electrical switch of any kind. One should stay at home or at these the shelter and should not move out the unnecessary. One should stay at home or at these the shelters and should not move at the unnecessarily, and one should not put unnecessary demands to the recognized team and should cooperate with them. One should not put unnecessary demands to the recognized teams and should cooperate with them. One should help each other is such as the situation. Yes, students, one should help each other in such a situation. Role of technology. in predicting and the protecting from the cyclone. Role of the technology in predicting and the protecting from the cyclone. The, the street lights and the radars have made it the possible to predict cyclone jet of the time so that the appropriated the precautionary measures can be taken accordingly. There are now the several nation and the national and international organizations that monitor cyclone related issue. There are now the several national and international organizations that monitor cyclone related issue. Generally, a cyclone watch or the cyclone and the alert is issued every 48 hours in advance if a storm is expand in an area. So, generally, a cyclone watch or a cyclone and alert is issued every 48 hours in advance if a storm is expand in an area. Then a cyclone warning is issued before the 24 hours. Then a cyclone warning is issued before the 24 hours. This is a warning is then broadcasted in the area after intervals of half 1 hour or 1 hour. And a cyclone warning is the issued before the 24 hours. This is a warning is then the broadcasted in the area after intervals of half an hour or 1 hour. So, so dear student, today this chapter is complete. So dear student, today I send you PDF file of this chapter. So please download it and complete the exercise on your note copy and also send me. And today your the test day. So I provide the question paper and complete your question paper and answer sheet. So send me. Thank you.